So the first thing we got to do is we got to make sure these are straight. Let's get this off of here. Just kidding. These all look pretty straight, to be honest with you. Those ones look really straight. Doesn't that look nice? Look at that. Fell right back into place. Now, actually, you know what? Instead of that... Gear wrench mallet. Alright, let's see. Let's give it a good knock. Oh, broke it! Alright, so now that I got the mallet, you just kind of push. I just kind of pushed it into there, and those staples fell right into place. To help secure this even better, I'm going to add a little bit of super glue. This is all I got. Alright, there we go. Just need to put them right on the staples right there. Anyway, like we needed a hammer. See? I don't even need the hammer. That's good. Just like that. And we're going to go get our clamps now. I knew I got those clamps in here. Here they are. Here's one. And we got to get the other one. There it is. Perfect. Slide that off the edge. Got our trusty DeWalt ones. Kind of hard opening with one hand. One clamp. Alright, now we got the other clamp right here. Perfect. Now my project's complete, and that should be able to go right out front with the mailbox now.